Hello Glossy family, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, I want to say you are welcome. On today's video, I'm going to walk you along how you can make healthy aloe vera gel, healthy aloe vera gel oil, healthy aloe vera oil for your skin and for your hair. It is super healthy and easy to make. Remember, on this channel I share healthy tips, healthy natural tips which I'm using. I decide it could be helpful to someone out there. Just if you are wondering how to achieve a beautiful skin or a healthy hair oil, I guess this is one of the video you'll be needing or you will like to watch. This is me sterilizing my bottle, the bottle jar in which I'm going to store my oil. So guys, let's pop into the video. The video is self-explanatory, and please, if you find my content interesting and you feel the need to support my channel, kindly subscribe with your notification bell on. So guys, all you'll be needing is aloe vera, fresh aloe vera, and some oil. In my case, I'm using sunflower oil because it is so odorless. You can use any oil of your choice, the choice is yours, but I choose to use sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice, like I said, the choice is yours. So I go for sunflower oil because it is odorless. This is my DIY bowl. You seen that bowl has different color because that is my DIY bowl. I just use that bowl to mix or make whatever I'm doing. So once today the bowl will be green, tomorrow the bowl will be black, next tomorrow the bowl will be of turmeric color. It depends. So that is my DIY bowl. So guys, all I'm going to do is my washed aloe vera. I have the plants of this aloe vera. As you can see, these are my aloe vera plants. I have 3 of them at home, so I always get fresh aloe vera whenever I need some. So guys, all I'm going to do, I'm going to blend them smoothly, or blend them how you can, but the important thing is to blend them. So once I'm done blending, the next step, I'm going to transfer my mixture, this blended mixture, into a pan with oil, which I'm going to cook without turning. It is very important not to turn it at the beginning. You just pour it in the pan. It's going to have some green foams on top. How you will know if your oil is ready? This is the trick you are going to use. Once you pour your aloe vera in the pan, don't turn it so immediately. Wait, see the green foams on the top. Allow the foam to cook until it disappears. Once the green foam disappears completely without you turning it, you know your oil is ready. In that way, you will not overcook the active properties in the aloe vera, so you will not kill every active properties in them. So that is how you're going to know your oil is ready. Once the green foam disappear, turn off your flame. Your oil is ready. Allow it to cool, then filter, separate your oil from the aloe vera pulp, and please don't press it too hard. If not, water will enter, because they are natural ingredients and no preservatives or anything to make it last long at home. I don't make much of it. I just go for little quantity that will last me maybe for 3 weeks or 1 month. So guys, this is what I was explaining. You can see the green foams on the oil. Once this green foams disappear, your aloe vera oil is done. That is the trick, or that is how you're going to know your oil is ready. You won't not overcook your oil by if you follow this simple trick. This oil is super great for your hair and is super moisturizing for your skin. It nourishes your skin, keep your skin soft and healthy. Just how do you do it? If you don't want to apply it directly on your skin, you can just take a good quantity of it, mix it with your hair cream and apply on your hair if you don't want to apply it directly. Or likewise the same, if you don't want to apply it directly on your skin, just add enough quantity to your body cream, give it a good mix, and in that way you feed your skin every day with aloe vera benefit every day. So guys, you can see my foam is completely dissolved. At this point, my aloe vera oil is ready. At this point, you turn it, you can see no green foams. But if you have turned it earlier, you will not know when it is time, when your oil is ready or not. So that is why I advise you not to turn it. So guys, the video is self-explanatory. I just want to say thanks to everyone that subscribed to my channel. Thanks to those dropping their comment. I enjoy reading and replying your comments. If you find this video interesting, helpful, let me know on the comment section. And if you love what is going on my channel, kindly give this video a thumbs up, as that will help my video. In this channel, I do everything DIY, hair care, face care routine, body scrub, face masks, everything done at home, right from the comfort of your kitchen. On this channel, I'm like showing you the tips I use at home. You can look beautiful, have ageless skin, you glow effortlessly, you glow, your skin glow without stress, with less, let me say, at a cheap rate. So let me say at a cheap rate. But the good part is everything are done from your kitchen with your ingredients in the kitchen. So it is very, very free, cheap, and affordable. For the fact that they are natural ingredients, I will always advise try a patch test if you don't know if you'll be reacting or if you'll not be reacting to it. So just do some kind of a patch test and see if you have some forms of a reaction. Once you sense or feel any funny reactions, please discontinue, because what is good for my skin might not be good for your skin. So don't continue with that tips. You can check other videos. I have different videos on aloe vera, different videos. You can check and see if you find any tips that will suit your taste. So like I said before, this is my oil. As you can see, I did it separately because I'm trying to press the other one, because while pressing, please don't apply much pressure, because when you apply much pressure, you can see it will not bring out only oil, it will bring out some pop or some dirty. So you don't need that, you just need only the oil, the green oil. So while doing this process, don't apply much pressure. You can see the difference. You can see that pop there. That I don't need that. That would make my oil go sour, so I don't need it. So I'm going to separate it. This is my oil. This is the one I want. So I'm just trying to see if I can take from the white bowl some oil, then the brown pop, throw it off, because that will make my oil sour. So this is what I'm saying. I'm trying to see if I can take some of the oil, then the rest I throw it off. This is my oil, my aloe vera oil. Easy, fast, and affordable. All you need is fresh aloe vera, any of your oil of your choice, blend and cook. I don't know how you sterilize your bottle jar. This is how I sterilize my bottle jar. After my bottle is well washed, I just give it some seconds or maybe 1 minute on a low flame, so that the bottle will be hot. By so doing, this will give extra duration for the oil. So close it tight and keep it. This is my aloe vera gel oil, aloe vera oil, aloe vera DIY oil. It is ready, easy, and super affordable. And if you find this video interesting, let me know in the comment section. So guys, this is all for this video. As usual, you know, I always like to show you how it looks. I just like make some tests to show it is super glowing, shining, and super hydrating, very fast to absorb. So give it a try and let me know, or let me know in the comment section if you are giving it a try. Thanks and stay beautiful.